Welcome guys to the TYPEWRITER channel. In this video, I will be showing or showcasing the typewriter I made this day a bit like half an hour ago. Here we have the keyboard and the enter button, and here we have the text shown part. We can type stuff in it. I'm gonna write tech, so press tech, enter, E, enter, C, enter. Oh wait, H2. Yeah. Here I have written tech. Wait, what? Hold on. What the hell? Where that didn't happen before. T, enter, the tech. Okay, just ignore that. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna delete it. No problem. Yeah, we can write tech with it. Anything with it, honestly. Anything with enough letters in it. And there is a first version to this, but it's very glitchy, so I don't want to show it. Yeah, this is a better one. It has 6 bits. The last one had 5. You can pretty much write anything with it if it has uh, letters A through Z and numbers 0 through 9. I can write pi, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. Alright, I'm supposed to write 3 here, but I yeah, you get the thing. Okay. Anyways, if you like it, leave a like, subscribe. I have tutorials on my channel on how to do stuff like this. Right now I'm on, I think I was on buses and tri-states. But I will continue. I haven't made videos in a while because I have school, I have exams. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Bye.